Everybody, welcome to our channel. We are going to be sharing with you a very simple pasta recipe and a personal favorite of ours. This is going to be pasta with broccoli and bacon. Ingredients we need for this recipe are 200 grams of pasta, whatever pasta of your choice, 50 grams of bacon, cubed bacon, 25 grams of grated cheese. In this case I'm using grana padana dope, 100 ml of any cooking cream. In this case I'm using panna, 100 grams of broccoli, a teaspoon of extra virgin oil, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. With your ingredients all set, the first step is to put the broccoli into a pot. I chose a very big pot because I'm going to use this pot later to boil my pasta. Add your salt to taste. Then add water. Make sure you use boiled water. Add the water until it covers the broccoli. And put your broccoli to boil on very high heat. Boil your broccoli for about 5 minutes because you do not want to overcook the greener part of the broccoli, which is softer. After 5 minutes, scoop out your broccoli because you want to save this water to boil your pasta later. So keep this water, don't throw it away or pour it out. After that, cut your broccoli by separating the softer greener part and the stems and cut them into smaller pieces. Put a teaspoon of oil, extra virgin oil, into a pan. Then add your bacon. Fry your bacon until it starts to look more, I'd say more red, and then add the stems of your broccoli and fry them together for a couple of minutes until the broccoli is soft or tender enough to taste. And after that, get the water that you have saved from boiling the broccoli and put in your pasta and boil it according to the time that's indicated on the package until it's al dente, as the Italians would say. So make sure you boil your pasta on very high heat and don't cover it at all. And at this point, please do not add any more salt because the water already has salt. After all your ingredients have been cooked, your pasta is ready. Make sure when draining your pasta, leave a bit of water or store a bit of that water that you had used it to boil. Then mix up everything, your broccoli, your bacon, and just stir it up until it's well mixed. Whilst you're doing this, your stove should be on very low heat. Then add your panna or whatever cooking cream you're using and stir it all together by really mixing it super well, really well. Then add your cheese according to the amount that's comfortable with you and mix it in as well. I'm sorry, my camera seemed to have misbehaved at this point. Then from that water that you use to boil the broccoli, save up a cup, and you can add some of that to your mix to make it more moist if what you have is not moist enough to taste. I hope you try this recipe. If you like it, please let me know. And if you have any other ways of preparing this, please share in the comments below. I'll be sure to read them and also try your recipes and recommendations. And voila, there you have your delicious looking plate. Buon appetito a tutti. Enjoy your meal, everybody. Thank you. Until next time.